Is there another Cybertruck recall in the line? Tesla has started to contact some early Cybertruck owners to tell them that they will change their electric drivetrain. A select owner's next service visit, Tesla will change one of their drive units for free. Tesla says that the new drive unit has improved efficiency and reliability. The automaker didn't specify it as specifically the front or rear motor that will be replaced. Tesla specifies that the current drive unit is not dangerous to drive. It could be as simple as Tesla finding some optimization through reviews of early Cybertrucks, and now the automaker is binging back some of its early motors to see if it can find further optimizations. However, it could also be Tesla finding a problem with the existing drivetrain, and this is a soft start of the retrofitting program.